Plant FAQs, Philodendron Martianum. Philodendron Martianum. All you need to know about this velvet wonder. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the Philodendron Martianum, a stunning tropical plant prized for its velvety, textured leaves. This beauty has captivated plant enthusiasts worldwide, and for good reason. But before we delve into its care specifics, let's answer some of the most common questions I get about this unique philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Philodendron Martianum special? The Martianum truly stands out with its velvety, heart-shaped leaves. The foliage boasts a mesmerizing shimmer, with a dark green base transitioning to a lighter, almost metallic sheen along the veins. As the leaves mature, they develop a distinct texture, adding a touch of luxury to any indoor space. Is the Philodendron Martianum easy to care for? Compared to some high-maintenance divas in the plant world, the Martianum is a relatively easygoing companion. It thrives in moderate to high humidity and prefers indirect sunlight. This makes it a perfect choice for those who don't have south-facing windows or forget to water occasionally, though don't push it too far. How often should I water my Philodendron Martianum? The key here is to avoid overwatering. Let the top inch of soil dry out completely before giving it a good drink. During the growing season, spring and summer, this might be once a week. In winter, you can stretch it to every 2 weeks. Remember, underwatering is always better than overwatering. What kind of soil does my Philodendron Martianum need? Think well-draining. A good quality aeroid mix is ideal, or you can create your own by combining potting mix with perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage. Does the Philodendron Martianum climb? Yes, it does. In its natural rainforest habitat, it climbs trees. Indoors, you can provide a moss pole or trellis for it to climb and showcase its cascading foliage. Is Philodendron Martianum toxic to pets? Unfortunately, yes. Like most philodendrons, the Martianum contains calcium oxalate crystals, which are toxic if ingested by cats and dogs. If you have furry friends, keep this plant out of reach. Both the Martianum and Birkin are popular philodendrons with beautiful patterned leaves. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Leaves. Martianum, velvety, heart-shaped with a dark green base transitioning to a lighter, metallic sheen. Birkin, elongated, oval-shaped with a white variegation on green leaves. Light. Martianum, prefers indirect sunlight. Birkin, can tolerate slightly more light than the Martianum. Rarity. Martianum, considered rarer and more expensive than the Birkin. Can I propagate my Philodendron Martianum? Yes. You can propagate it through stem cuttings in water or a well-draining potting mix. How big can a Philodendron Martianum get? Indoors, it can reach up to 6 feet tall with proper care. Should I fertilize my Philodendron Martianum? During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month can be beneficial. What are signs of an unhealthy Philodendron Martianum? Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering, while brown, crispy leaves suggest underwatering. Philodendron Martianum versus Philodendron micans. Both have velvety leaves, but the Martianum has a more pronounced heart shape and metallic sheen. The micans is a faster grower and requires slightly less light. Why are the leaves on my Philodendron Martianum curling? This could be due to underwatering, low humidity, or pests. How do I deal with pests on my Philodendron Martianum? Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be effective against common pests like mealybugs or spider mites. Final thoughts on the Philodendron Martianum. The Philodendron Martianum is a captivating plant with a unique charm. Its velvety texture and stunning foliage make it a conversation starter in any room. With a little TLC, tender loving care, this tropical wonder can thrive indoors and bring a touch of the rainforest to your home.